Yo, what's up guys? It's me Clarence and I'm back with some more NBA Abnormal. As you see, they'll drop already the new 99 overall Daryl Dockets. Excuse me about that one. And they got a new that Dr. J. Just pretty awesome. And this court process is already 99 overall. Can you believe that one? You have this like a little puzzle. Then you have this chocolate thunders, well known Daryl Dawkins who are pretty friends. Kind of thing. So today I see that will mean the 72 overall. First this is silly. This is how gonna search it. Kind of a glitch for let's see on this server, make sure. I see that one today. And this is not on edit, bro. Not edit anymore. No edit. See new. Not to what this game. Where this game for? 72 overall versus in series. And so the first overall. First 102 overall franchise free game. And no. 102 overall lineup battle rating. Excuse me about that one. Here and leave here this I'm gonna search. I wanna bring that in description below this the name of the league. This is Pippen and yes. And this is oh boy, his name is PC. He's number 2, bro. And this is his lineup. He's a very well. And this is his first 102 overall lineup, maybe in NBA Live MOBA. Whoa. Like all of this one has a stats boost. Should be the main reason why this is 102 overall. Kind of a dope system about that one. Whoa. Boy, that one on the defensive lineup is because of the 95 Russell Westbrook, 2 399s, 1 stat boost, Steve Kerr. Whoa. Whoa boy. Wow. We got 101 overall summer courts lineup. Well, we believe that one. So, I believe something from he purchased the price of the step. He might completed the set or buy him the Oculus this is so expensive that 99 overall player of the game up to 25 million. That could be maybe the cheapest for 20 million. The cheapest is the $570 player of the game. Not sure why. Wow. So as you see, it's already full. They're number 2. And let's just move out that one. While this is my team. Kind of a weak. Stay standing at 91 overall. So that will be for us. If you like this video, make sure you smash down that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to drop down subscribe button. Let me know I'll do many videos for you. That's why I see you. And see you next time. Peace.